Welcome back to the daily discussion. So I watched a video earlier and it was talking about a study conducted in 1960 that was sponsored by NASA, and it was an attempt to try to learn how to hire more geniuses for their space program. And the study found that 5%, or excuse me, 98% of 5-year-olds would have been defined as having genius level abilities, which was defined by basically being able to use creativity to solve problems. And 5 years later, at age 10, the percentage was down to 30. 5 years later, at 15, it was down to 15. And then they eventually kind of gave up and looked at the study, or they went back and looked at adults, and only about 2% of adults classified as geniuses at that point. Now, what the guy who conducted the study learned from this was that uncreative behaviors and decisions and thoughts are actually learned, which tells me then that you have a whole group of people, you have a whole lot of people in this world who have genius in them that has just been taught to be not a genius. So I encourage you, I think that I could help pull that out of you. Maybe that's arrogant, maybe it's not. I don't know, I don't care, because I think I really can pull this out of you. I don't think I'm a genius, but I'm so curious that I just like asking questions. I keep trying to figure out ways to solve problems in different ways that's unconventional and usually against the grain. I don't particularly believe everything I hear. I question everything, and that tends to piss a lot of people off, and that's okay, because that's just who I am. And if you don't like that, then you're not for me anyway. So if you think that you have some genius inside you that's hidden, I believe it too. So let's talk, let's have a conversation and see where we can pull that out.